Let me take you through Evrmax factory. I'm going to show you different grades of fibers which are being processed, which are already being processed, ready for take off the pot. So come, let me show you. Okay. You can see the stocks we have. Okay, it's a processed, but 50 kg each for the UG grade. Okay. We'll take you. This is the toe. Okay. Toe grade, toe 1 grade, but it's unbeiged, being processed. Okay. This is a beige already, toe 1 grade. You can see. This is toe 1 also grade. These are the processed fibers. These are the processed, ready to be processed. So that's from the farms. Okay, from the farms, they are brought here ready to be processed. Okay, this is a UG grade, 50 kg, and beige. You are not beige, so waiting to be beige. Okay, this is also the UG grade, but it's unbeige, the kg each. But also, this is the SSUG, and beige, 50 kg already. Okay, this is the UG grade, it's here, beige already. This is the UG grade, very white, very clean, but not beige. Okay, waiting to be beige in the machine. You can see these are the processed, ready to be processed. Okay, for sorting, but also the UG grade, not yet beige. You can see. So here is where we do our bearings. I'll take you through the procedure later, show you how it's done. So you can see we have enough stock. Show them to the factory. We have enough stock. Okay, we have enough stock to accommodate every customer request. You can see we have enough stock. The factory is full of stock. Can you climb there and show them? Go there, go show them what we have in the factory. Okay. The stock is enough. The stock is enough, and the print for every customer to get satisfied. Climb there and show them. Okay, climb there and show them what we have. You see? So when I tell you that we have enough product, you mean that we have enough product. So keep working with us. Keep pressing the order. We have someone company limited, and we do the best to make sure everything is done. But I also show you where brushing is done. Okay. So this is where brushing is done, but later I'll have to show you the process later, how it's being done. Okay, thank you so much.